What's up, Rocketbook fans? I'm Captain Mitchell, and I just landed with our new product, Rocketbook Beacons. Rocketbook Beacons are 4 reusable stickers that can be placed on the corners of any whiteboard. Then just scan your whiteboard using the Rocketbook app, and in a fraction of a second, the machine vision auto crops and color pops your content, then instantly blasts them to any cloud destination. You can even broadcast live using our Snapcast mode. No more share button shuffle with your crappy whiteboard photos sandwiched in between your Instagrams. Beacons make organizing your whiteboard content a snap. This summer, I'm dropping into offices and co-working spaces around the galaxy to install Rocketbook Beacons for free and answer any questions you might have. Basically, we're sneaking into offices and slapping beacons on all their whiteboards. It started as a marketing stunt, but it ended pretty hilariously, so we started filming it.
How did you get in here?
Want your business beaconed? Well, visit beaconmybusiness.com to nominate your business to be personally visited by me, Captain Mitchell, and I'll send your dry erase into cyberspace. Also, tune into our social channels to watch new episodes and our occasional run-in with Earth security personnel.